So welcome guys to the second breakdown, and today I don't have my webcam because I'm recording on the MacBook, not on my actual desktop. So yeah, let's start this really quick on looking at the daily. So what I saw here was this low. This was my target at the beginning of the day, and as you can see, this is on 394, and this low as well. If you look here on low, right, look at this number, it's also 394, so making this equal lows, and this is not at the same low, it's a little bit above, but it's still, so I'm just going to show you. As you can see, it wasn't at the same level, but it's still enough for me to, yeah, so these are basically three equal lows. So the BIOS was bearish and we had these equal lows. So yeah, let's go to the 4 hours now. At that point, we were, if I'm not wrong, we were here. So we were at this order block. Even though we had this big rejection, the overall structure is still bearish. Now, on the 1 hour, looking at the 1 hour, what I saw that made me want to enter on this was we were at this fair value gap. I don't know if I actually didn't saw this fair value gap at the time, but I'm just seeing it now. I don't know if this closed above the fair value gap. So 2164, and here you have 2164. So it didn't close. So it just tapped the higher time frame, the top of the fair value gap, and also the order block. So I saw the order block, but I didn't really check the fair value gap. So, but looking at this now, we have two PD arrays. So we have this order block and this fair value gap. And what happened at the 1 hour? The candle closed like this, making this quick market shift. And let me just adjust my stop, because this was just for me to see something. My stop was here. And my take profit was here, in fact. Okay, and then I saw this market shift, right? And it was right when London was about to open. So on the 15-minute, what was my idea and what did I do? Basically, market opened here, moved up, small manipulation of London, and then closed below this. Now, was this the best trade? No, because I could have waited. I was kind of impatient, but I could have waited for like a sweep of this high, and then for basically the manipulation of the London session, and I didn't wait. I could have waited for the close of the 1 hour or something, for another close below, or the close of the 4 hours, which is actually at 9. But I didn't wait for any of that, and instead I just executed right away. Now, where was the best time to execute, you ask? It was after this happened. So manipulation, it didn't sweep, but then we had this, and this candle was the best scenario you could have executed. So this bullish candle, you would have entered here, and the difference wouldn't even be that much. I was kind of afraid that the market would go without me, so kind of FOMO here. So let's be careful next time. But overall, a nice trade, and I would do it again. The stop was here, just at this high, based on the 1 hour. So it was just based on, I don't want to see the candles just closing above this and forming an order block, which it could just happen that the market would have moved higher, sweep, and then close here, and just the wick was above and didn't create the order block. But still, I didn't want that to happen, so the stop was there. And the take profit was at the 1 to 2, still above the target. Now, the real take profit, as you saw, the stop was just here at the wick, because I usually do this. I just do this and I calculate how much in drawdown was my actual stop. So I do this, I do 196, I add 2 zeros, and I divide it by the amount of pips of my stop loss, and this gives me the amount of stop that it was, which if I'm not wrong, it's 78. So meaning this trade was 78% in my stop, and this helps me see what happens with the winning trades, like how much on average are they going into my stop, and that's why the stop was there. And now why the take profit was at here, because this was a 2R, as you saw, so it was 2R, but I saw the trade on my phone, and yeah, I saw it here, and I just wanted to close it because yeah, you know, as of now, we only need one trade to pass phase one, so I don't really think, and it's only 1 to 1, so we only need this to pass the count. It's something like this, which is not even that hard. So yeah, I just decided to close it. If I would have left it until here, then we would only need something like this, but still the difference from this to this, it's not that much. So I just decided to close it, and this was a nice trade overall. Looking a little bit onto the XY, it was just the same thing. I'm not going to break it down because I didn't actually look much at it, so I'm just going to look at the daily, which was this. For me, it was this market closed above this order block, above this fair value gap. This was a nice target, and we also targeted this. The only downside was this order block against it, but like the rest, I was okay with it. So yeah, I didn't look too much, but if we go down to the 4 hours or something, yeah, you can see it was pretty much bullish. We were here, then market dropped into the fair value gap, into these order blocks, and then just reacted higher, closed above, as you can see. So yeah, pretty nice trade. That was it. So I see you on the next breakdown. Peace.